What's going on, guys? In today's quick video I want to do a quick edit showing how to enhance this photo using dodging and burning, and also your healing tool to remove these lines in the background, the distraction from the image, just to make it stand out more. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'll start by duplicating my layer, and then I'm going to create a blank layer. I'm going to zoom in, press J on the keyboard, which you get this right here, which is a healing brush tool. Alright, so I'm going to sample one area, line it up, click, holding down my shift key, and do that. Boom. Do the same right here. I'm going to click again, like so. Boom. Just like that. Like I said, I'm not going for perfection, guys. I'm just going to make this a quick video. Alright. Gonna remove this right here. Good. Come over here, same thing, line it up. Click. Boom. You get the idea. Alright, so we've removed those lines successfully. Now I'm gonna go and create my dodging and burning using curves. Alright, so first I'm gonna start out with my curves there. I'm gonna increase my highlights like so. Right, I'm gonna fill this with black like so. I'm gonna create one more. I'm gonna drag it down, and this is for my burn, like so. A little bit black. First, remember guys, that when using a mask, black conceals while white reveals. Let's move on. I'm gonna name this my dodge. I'm gonna name this my burn, so I can spell, and this was my healing. Sometimes I try to remember to name my layers. Okay, so with the dodge and burn layers, I'm going to merge those two, and for short I'm just going to say D and B. Oops, B. That's good. I'm going to expand it, go to my dodge. Alright, guys, I'm using a Wacom, so sorry about that, guys. That's my phone. Let me mute it, and I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to start working on our neck right here. Firstly, let's make sure we're on the brush layer. I'm going to set my flow to 1%. I'll hold down the shift key and press 0 and 1, and I get 1%. Excuse me. And now I'm going to go in, and I'm just going to dodge. Oops, let's flip that. Make sure you're on the white, guys, so when you start painting you see the effect. And like so. I'm doing that over here, over here. It's good. Those are the areas where you think should have some highlights. Let's go to my dodge, and I'm going to dodge these areas right here, like so, because all I'm doing, guys, is just enhancing the darks and the lights. Good. Under her neck right here, I'm bringing these shadows right here. I think that looks good. I'm gonna move up here, go back to my dodge layer, and all I'm gonna do is just lighten these areas that I think, and this is a matter of taste, guys. You can, go ahead and do in the ways that you think is best for your image. For this image, I just think that these areas could be a little bit lighter, like so. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight under our eyes right here. Awesome. And on our t-shirt now, I'm just going to bring in the highlights over here. Right there. I think we're good where dodging and burning is concerned. Yeah, and then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to my levels, and all I'm gonna do is just deepen the blacks a little bit more, just a little bit, not too crazy. Increase the highlights a little bit, like so. And if you notice, I'm clipping the highlights in our arm right here. So all I'm gonna do is go to my flow layer, hold on shift and press 50 for 50%, and I'm just gonna tone those highlights down because I don't want that. As a matter of fact, I should be painting with black, like so. Yes, that is good. That's very good. Just a little bit in the areas that are kind of blown out. Don't want that. Perfect. Let's tone this down too right here in our elbow. That's good. Amazing. I'm going to duplicate the layer. Right. Or make a stand visible layer. And then I'm going to go to image, adjust brightness and contrast. Drag this back, drag this over. Go to filter, other, high pass. I'm going to do about 2%, exaggerate a little bit. Go to here, and I'm going to go to, let me see, vivid, hard light. Let's look at vivid. I like vivid. Let me see. Look at that, guys. That's just a sharpening of the image. So if you look at the before and the after, I think that looks really, really good. We can bring it back just a tad. Let's make it about 70%. So let's see, that looks good. So let me look at the before and the after now. Before and after. Before and after. Alright guys, like I said, it's just a quick video of showing you how to use dodging and burning, as well as using the healing tool. Let's get rid of any kind of distractions in the image. And the dodging and burning just kind of helps with bringing the detail out in the highlights and the shadows. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Peace.